lean in, smell this peach cobbler. Oh, it smells so good. We're going to a barbecue with friends tonight and everybody's bringing something to share. So I've got this peach cobbler with fresh peaches that a friend gave me earlier this week. They are going to love this. I'm gonna show you how to put this super easy summer dessert together. But guess what? You can make it any time of year. Let's do it together. We start with fresh peaches. I'm actually gonna leave the peel on. You can peel them if you prefer, but I'm just gonna slice them. Peach skins get soft when they cook, so that'll work just fine. This is the stone fruit cutter, and it makes an easy job of all of your stone fruits, whether they're plums, nectarines, or peaches, anything with the stone in the center. And we got the nice little slices. These are white peaches. I have a stick and a half of unsalted butter in my 12-inch cast iron. Pop it into the oven until the butter is nice and melted. 350 degrees. I'm gonna simmer the peaches on top of the stove for a little bit. Do you see this line of juice that's in here? Because of that, I am not adding the water that's suggested in the recipe. There is plenty of moisture in here. Go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of our Karinji cinnamon. This stuff is so good. Don't worry if there's a little extra. Just makes it extra yummy. And then we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm using our double strength Madagascar bourbon pure vanilla extract. This is available seasonally. You can use half the amount if you want to, but my advice is use the full amount with a good quality like this, and then it tastes kind of like something that's from a bakery. Give everything a stir, and we're just gonna bring it to a simmer. For the batter, you need self-rising flour and sugar. I don't keep self-rising flour in the pantry because I just don't use it very often. So you're gonna just make it with baking powder and salt with all-purpose flour, and that's what I've got here. We need a 1.5 cups of whole milk or half and half. I just did half of each. So it'll be a little rich, but not over the top like we care with this recipe, right? With all the butter, it's all gonna be good. So you're just gonna stir this batter until it all comes together. This is such a simple recipe. Now we put it all together. Here's the cast iron, the butter has melted. You're just going to pour the batter over the top of the butter. We're not going to stir this at all. All out. And then you're going to take all of the peaches with the juice and we're going to pour that over the top. Something magical happens as it bakes. The batter kind of goes over the top. Try to see if you can spread those peaches out evenly as best you can. And don't stir it, but if you see one on top like that, just kind of push it over. Okay, this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for 50 to 60 minutes.